Nice and sunny today. Look at that weather. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and today we're gonna be servicing the Euro. Today is all about maintenance because I haven't touched the cars, and this is my 1 year ownership of this car. 1 year, it's been a quick year. Today we're blessed with a nice sunny weather. If you're in Sydney, you know we've been having some really rainy days. Today just going to do an oil change, and re-brakes is going to get changed as well. Discovered that this Euro had already done its major service last year, so spark plugs, coolant and everything's been changed. Front brakes has been changed as well, just the re-brakes. We also have Mr. Alex. What's doing, boys?
Like my hat.
Is that you and Ivan? Far out, man. Hey! Taking out the cluster, rewinding back the odometer. What are you doing today, Alex? What's everyone doing?
I don't know.
No idea.
No idea, bro.
No idea.
All the gear, no idea.
What I think they're doing is they're gonna change one light bulb. T5, they're guessing?
Yeah.
So, it's either one of them, right? Can you drive like this?
Yeah, I've driven like this.
Sheesh. Does that match what Alex has?
Yeah, it's T5.
T5? Oof, spot on, Alex. Some YouTube
Research, bro.
Research as in YouTube videos. Alright, I really need to start jamming on this, so it won't be too much talking today because I'm just really in a time limit, so enjoy. Bruh. Oh. Alright, service is done. Now we just gotta change the 2 re-brakes, brake disc and the pads. Time for the most tedious part in this driveway is to jack up the car as properly as we can. Alright, got the car on the stands. You know, the constant battle with these rocks. That's like literally on its max, so the reason why it's so dangerous to do on the rock is because when you jack up this, it doesn't move forward to go lift the car up, so that's kind of dangerous. But anyway, guy Ivan helping me out because I'm just so in a hurry. Alex is the cameraman right now. Oh my god, Ivan's a man, bro. So excited to use my new tool. There we go. So I bought this new screwdriver just for this. Because we used to struggle so many times taking these brake screws off, so I got a special screwdriver. It's an impact screwdriver. Oh, here you go.
If you don't...
How was it first?
Oh. You know it. It's your turn?
Oh. Yo, we own, boys!
Alright, just finished this side helping my brother. He's paying me very good money for this. And then now he wants to save money. He's doing this side.
Let's crack this 14. Easy, bro.
Easy, eh?
Yeah. No. Alright, today the Euro is done. We did a successful service today. No hiccups. We almost got it to a hiccup. I did the brake test around my streets and it looks pretty bedded in to me. And it feels good. It doesn't lock up. When I do like a hard brake, it would kind of feel like I'm hitting a wall where it was locking up pretty much. But yeah, so now the Euro's done. Thanks to Ivan. the man right there. Now we're gonna head to Kieren's house. As this title states, yes, he did get a new car, and let's go check it out. I'll see you there. Dang. What's up? Oh, I can't see you, man. Can't see you. But we can see the Corolla. It is stock looking, bro. There we go. Are the bags still on?
Nah, it's off.
It's
now.
off.
It's
When did you get it off?
2 days ago.
Okay. If you guys didn't know, Kieren is actually letting this car go. You guys, you want to explain? Not what you got, because we're gonna reveal it very soon. But what's been happening, Kieren? Why the part out? Why are we doing this?
It's been 2 years and we're getting bored of it. It's automatic. We've got to move on, Brian.
So you're
on to
saying your
bigger
new
things.
car is a manual?
Yeah. Bigger
Shit.
new things.
You gonna miss the Corolla?
Of course I am. First car we built together.
Yeah, that's true.
Now we're moving on to a different car we're building together next. Well,
The wrap's still on, right?
The wrap's still on.
The wrap's still on, but dang, have not seen this in a while. Woo. Oh man, this is so sad. This is a lip kit, and the tank is over there.
Tank.
This kit, no one's got this kit, so hit up Kieren or hit up my inbox if you want the full kit. We'll sort out a price for you.
Ignore the scrapes then.
Oh, you might. This is fiberglass, so you might need to do all that. This is the 4th car you owned, the new car.
Yep.
Kieren's been on this channel for a long time. We didn't get his 8.6, but we got the Civic, we got the car behind me, and we got one more that we're about to show you guys. But this one right here, this one that Kieren got is probably the best purchase he's ever made. It's probably the fastest car that he's ever gonna own. It's manual, it's turbo. Yeah, let's kind of reveal it, you know what I mean? From the rear quarter, that's the first part I'm gonna show you. From here, you probably can tell what car it is, but it's got TEs on already. All right, here's the interior. All right, Kieren, you gonna start it for us?
Start it up.
Look at this interior. From the interior you can probably tell it's a Type R. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
This is Kieren's new car, guys. It's a FK8 Honda Civic Type R. Yo, he's back with the manual turbo.
Back at it.
Yeah.
With the EK, now it's Type R.
You missed the EK?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why we went back to it.
That was a nice EK. It's white. As always, he loves his white cars.
Always my hey.
You gonna bag it? You gonna bag it or what?
I have it coming already.
My boy. He's gonna bag it already. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's been a week that he's owned the car. What you think, man? You enjoying it?
Loving it. Daily, every day. To work.
Yeah.
Went
Everywhere.
to Newcastle, I think.
Yeah. Drives good?
Drives good.
Nice.
Petrol's good too.
Woo! Honda reliability.
Honda
Let's go. Alright, we're gonna take it for a test drive. Alright, we're just gonna do one safe pull for just for you guys. Alright, here we go. And this is my first pull in this car. Oh shit, alright, chill. Woo! Holy shit, this car's fast. Alright man, that's all for today. That is, wow, this car is fast, dude. Wow. Oh, I did not expect that. Yeah, this is definitely your fastest car that you've owned, and it goes, bro. It actually freaking goes. Holy crap. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't go anywhere yet because I'm about to drop you the B-roll of the FK8. Kieren, congratulations, man.
Thank you very much.
It is a fast car. Alright guys, I'll see you next time on another vlog. Alright, peace.